All right. Hey, YouTube. Welcome to the channel. Hey, if this is your first time joining us, my name is Jason. I'm an affiliate marketer, and we also do some network marketing. So we do a little bit of both. And what we do here on the channel is we figure out different ways to make money online, and then we turn around and teach you how to do the exact same thing. We do that by running series, and these are all training series, and they're step-by-step, simple to follow, and we have several different ones. Now we're making money with all of these products. This focus today is going to be on Live Good, because this is a brand new product out there and people are just joining it by the thousands. And it's just growing. It's going to be huge. So we wanted to hit on this one today. We've already done 9 videos. So this is going to be video 10. And what we want to do for video 10 is we're going to go through some means of organic traffic and organic advertising. So before we get too far into that, I want to show you right here one thing. If you have not gotten joined up in this and you have not started on day 1, you can come in here to any of my videos and you're going to come down where it says show more. You can have a lot of options in here. So this Live Good, you're going to hit Live Good, Live Rich right here, and that's going to take you into the free tour. So you can take a free tour, you can see what the company is about, and then you can actually pre-enroll to save your spot in the matrix, because you want to be up as high as you can. And then every Thursday at midnight, you lose your spot if you don't sign up. Okay. So the best thing to do is, as soon as you see this, get your spot, decide if you want to move forward, which is $10 a month. And then the discounts on the supplements are amazing. Never seen anything like it. They're just like a quarter of the price anywhere else. They're very high quality. But you decide, and then you would go in here, pre-enroll, and then before Thursday, so we're having a cutoff tonight, but before next Thursday, you would have to go in there and go ahead and become a member and an affiliate so that you can get the discount on the products and so that you can start making the money with the matrix. All right, we've also got our funnel builder in here, which we show on video 5 and 6. What this is used for, we use this for running paid traffic. And then we have some paid traffic sources. So I show a lot on these videos how to run MLGS. And you can sign up for that right here. You can go back on a couple of the videos and see what exactly this is. And then also we run traffic through TA, Traffic Authority. We always have traffic running. It's a great system. It's a great program. And now if you sign up for these, you can make money on all of these. So this becomes a multi-line of income that you can pull in, okay? And then of course we've got our get response up here. You're gonna need an autoresponder. And if you use my link, then you'll get 30 days free. And then you can get signed up and start capturing your leads. So if you come right here, this is my Facebook group. Join my group. You know, if you have questions, I'm easily accessible inside there. I'm also accessible right here below is my phone number. If you text me, I will respond. I'm always responding to text messages, and I try and keep up with everybody and everybody's questions. And I'm usually try to make myself available to help out wherever I can. Now, I do get a lot of text messages through there, so you'll have to be patient, but I will answer them all. Just be a little bit patient with timing. So today, let's go ahead and get into some organic marketing. And actually, you can do it right here on YouTube also. So make these videos. You can, basically you can go and copy things that somebody else is doing, right? You can make these videos. This is organic marketing. I'm not having to pay anything to be on YouTube. I make the videos, I upload them, and this is marketing. I'm also teaching people exactly how to do this, all right? So if you get any value out of these videos, please give me a like on them. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. It helps us out a bunch, and it allows us to keep putting these videos out showing people exactly how they can get started and how they can do this and actually be successful with making money online. All right, I want to jump over to Facebook. So we talked about, on some of the videos prior, we talked about setting up Facebook, making sure you have that, setting up Instagram, setting up TikTok accounts. So now we're going to start getting into some of the marketing that we're doing there. And this is organic marketing. This marketing doesn't cost us anything. So it's all free. And this is, a lot of people are apprehensive about doing videos, which you don't need to be. We're going to show you exactly how to do those too. But today what I want to show you is just some kind of flat marketing, some flat marketing posts. Okay. And I use them a lot. A lot of people that I'm in business with, a lot of friends, they use them a lot, and they're very effective. And it's simple to do. And you can copy, and you can take snippets and things like that. So I'm going to show you some of mine. So, and this is kind of the same. I'm advertising one of my series on YouTube. I also do that with this series. There's a video, so I do make videos. And then we come down here, and you're going to see this is just a simple, let me move myself. This is just a simple post. Says I found an easy way to generate up to $2,047.50 per month without ever enrolling a single person. No Forex, no crypto. So if you go into Live Good, all right, it says exactly this. Now this is matrix based. If you want to make real money, you will need to, at least roll one or two people, because that doubles and triples this amount that you're eligible to get from the matrix. Okay. But for now, you can go in here, you can just a simple post just like this. And I go through some of the other sites and I find posts that I think people might be drawn to. And I go in there, I copy them, I change them a little bit, and then I repost them on mine. And as you can see, I'm getting a lot of comments on this. So these work. And then I reply to everything. And I usually reply in DMs. But you can see, and I just posted this. I think this posted this morning. But you see, so I'm getting a lot of questions, a lot of asks about what this is. You want to leave this a little bit vague on these because you want people to ask you about it. Okay. So you can do these all day long. And on my mobile device, I can even go in there and I can schedule them to post at different times. So if I want to post one tomorrow, I can schedule it and it'll post automatically for me through my mobile device when I make that up. So there's a good example. All right. Now there's another video, some more YouTube. I've got a few more in here that I want to show. There's another system. Most of us are promoting multiple systems. So this is a little promotion to my YouTube channel. So this goes to my YouTube channel for the training. All right. And, I got some hits on that one. Again, this is a post just to get people engaging. So a lot of engagement posts, and it will drive your Facebook up. It'll drive your views up, and then Facebook will start taking notice, and they'll start pushing some of your content out a little more for you. More videos, more YouTube. Let's see, lots of videos. So here's one, and this is easy to do as well. So what I did was I just went in to the Live Good site and I just snipped out some of these important snips. I saved them. And then I came to Facebook and I went to make a post, and I use this for the picture. So there's information there. And I just say a little something here. And then right here, I have my domain. So you remember, we showed you how to go set up a domain for this business. Put your domain here, and now that's a clickable link. So people that see this, and if they're interested, they can go right here, and they will have access to the Live Good free tour. then go in there and check it out. So you want those in there. This is just some engagement posts. I try and do a lot of engagement posts, and I do a lot of YouTube posts because I try and drive people to my YouTube channel to get them off of Facebook. So here's another one, and you can do just like this. I've got 2 domains for this business. They actually do go to 2 different places, but they are both for Live Good. One goes straight to the Live Good tour, and one goes to a capture page, which we discussed in some of the previous videos of why that's important. Okay. So just quick, easy, throw it out there. There's your link. Again, I just went into the site and snipped this out and saved it, and then just went and posted it. And you can do those all day long, and you can do the exact same thing. See, here's another one, right? This goes to this is my domain. This is a clickable link. Once I put it in here, it's a clickable link. It's ready to go. So this was a good post. Now, if people are interested in the supplement side of it, they can go here and they can check it out. They are great supplements. So the whole thing really works out very well. All right, so there's another, and this is a video that I made, and kind of the same thing. So I just went and took a bunch of snips. I saved those to my phone, and then I made this video. So it just kind of flashed through, and so this is not going to be clickable in here. This is just on the screen. But once you post this, people are going to see, oh, well, that's where I need to go. Now, Facebook, you can put a .com. But if you're on something like TikTok, or, well, mostly TikTok, you're not going to want to put .com. They have rules, and they give you warnings and things like that if you put a .com on there. So we get a little bit creative, but we will show you how to do that. Okay, here again. So this is a free ebook that I have for another business. I got a bunch of comments on this. I sent out a bunch of links. Make sure I didn't miss any, actually. Yeah, I did. I did miss one there. So I will send that out here shortly. But this is a good one. So if you've got something like this, or if you are promoting HBA as well, there is already a page in there for the ebook. So you just go in there, grab it, and make sure it's set up. It will go to you if you make a sale from it. When they opt in, it goes to the ebook, and then there is a button inside the ebook at the end that they can join. So this is just another creative way. All right, so I could go on and on. I mean, my whole Facebook page is like this. It's just engagement, getting people to engage, YouTube videos, doing reels and things like that. Now, all these reels I repost. That way I'm not having to make new videos for every single thing that I do. So I'll go in and I'll make a video in CapCut, which we're going to show you how to do that. And I'll be able to use that on TikTok. I can use it in Facebook, Instagram. I can use it in Tumblr, Twitter, everywhere, Pinterest. So it just opens up a broad spectrum of where I can put that. So again, just some engagement. So you definitely want to get in and do some engagement and start growing your following. The bigger the following, the better off you're going to be in the long run. Do you have to have a big following to start this? No, absolutely not, because it's going to grow. You'll be surprised in 3, 4, 5, 6 months down the road how much that has grown just by doing engagement posts and making some of these videos. All right, and you can do the same thing in Instagram. So there's my Instagram. Now, I don't have a huge following on Instagram, but I do get people that are liking my posts, okay, liking my videos. So I do get some interactions. Now, I do have, I think I have 4 Instagram accounts, 4 or 5 Instagram accounts. This is just one of them. Same kind of deal. I didn't remake these videos. These are reposts. And you can do that easily through either a watermark remover tool, or even just make them in CapCut, and then you can just repost them from there, right? Save it to your photos. We'll show you how to do that. That's coming up very soon here. But a lot of the same thing. So engagement posts, videos, engagement posts, because I want to drive engagement to my channels. Okay. All right, so there's just some quick ideas. And how do you get ideas? Go watch my Facebook reels. Join the group, ask, right? Go watch some of the other marketers. I'll show you a good one. Let's see. So if you go into John's, now he's got a good following, great following. And he does the same thing. So the exact same things, right? Engagement posts, videos, YouTube posts. So we market pretty well the same way. He does a lot of these type of videos, which I do as well. And I do a lot of videos just straight driving traffic to my YouTube channel. So I'm trying to grow there too. So we show you how to do all this, but like, here you go. Here is just an engagement post. This is just to drive engagement, right? And you can do these. These are easy. You can just go get ideas. Okay, like this. You can just go get ideas and you can post them. And you'll want your domain on there with something like that. All right, but this is easy. It's so easy to do. Doesn't take any special skills. But you should have started your Facebook, your Instagram, and your TikTok channels, as we said in video 3 or 4, whichever one it was. So if you have not seen those on this series, go back to day 1. This is where I would start. I would start on day 1. And I would take my time and set all this up exactly as we show. Okay? Because this is what's going to get it done. This is what is going to make money. It already is. So that's why we can say that. We already know that it is. It's already working. It's working for us. And this is how you do it. Okay, we try and do this step by step for you so that you know. All right. Well, there you go. There's some good examples. An easy way to get started marketing, get some traffic in there. So we've got the paid methods. We've got some just flat posts in Instagram and Facebook that you can go do. We've given some ideas. Check out my Facebook and my group for some more ideas for sure. And then we're going to keep doing these videos, and we're going to get to showing you how to make your videos to post so that you can get engagement that way as well. And you can get your link out there to be seen. All right. So do me a favor, please subscribe. We appreciate the subscribe. If you get anything out of these videos, please leave us a like on them. Throw us a comment. My number is always below. If you have any questions, just ask. I'm here to help. I do not mind helping one bit. That's why my number's up there. And we'll see you on the next video. Later.